Наша группа компаний 7CI Group
7CI Group consists of 4 building and construction companies, which are engaged in different business activities. One of these companies manages construction projects. The unique feature of 7CI Group is the use of cutting-edge technologies. We are the first company in the Ukrainian construction market which converted its technology expertise into the business value. Only 5% of construction projects in our country are delivered on time. The rest don't meet the deadlines. It happens because companies don't understand how it can be done. They work instinctively. Plans are created in their mind. However, you cannot create a 1,000 task plan in your mind. Microsoft Project Online helps us complete 2 main tasks, not only within our company, but also within the whole country. The first one is to deliver projects on time. The second, to manage the project portfolio budget. Usually different software is used for these tasks. Completing them with the help of one solution greatly saves time and dramatically increases the efficiency of the whole company. As soon as we've implemented Microsoft Project Online, our project manager noticed that we have to increase the number of workers by 20% in order to complete the current project when due. If we didn't notice it in time, we would have expired the deadline for a month. We wouldn't be able to handle it without Microsoft Project.
In project portfolio management, proper resource allocation is essential. Using Microsoft Project, we review critical paths for several projects and set priorities for resource marshaling. This way we can cope with more complicated tasks. And we show good results systematically, not occasionally. Indeed, it is a very significant benefit from an automated project management system.
И выдавать не от случая к случаю запланированный результат, а на системном уровне. Вот это реально очень серьезный бенефит от автоматизированной системы управления проектами.
The company that helps with software implementation makes this 70% of success.
Microsoft Project is a business application. It's not enough to be a solution expert to implement it efficiently. You need to know how it will work at the customer's side in terms of project management procedures. We specialize on both project management procedures and project itself. With the help of this knowledge, we laid the foundation for project management system in our customer's company, 7CI Group. Using Microsoft Power BI, we developed user-friendly dashboards for our customers. We selected the most relevant and useful reports, which allow to quickly and holistically estimate the situation and make a comprehensive decision. It's great to receive feedbacks from users. They get better results, greatly save time, and make more advantageous decisions in project execution. We would not have reached the current stage in construction project management without Microsoft Project Online.
Мы не могли бы добиться того, чего мы добились сегодня именно в управлении строительными проектами.
Can't even imagine working in another way. Our company has reached that point of no return. All members of our team use this software, both top managers and other lower-level employees.